Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the Waveguide cover in this Frigidaire microwave oven, unplug the appliance's power cord. Bend the old Waveguide cover in the middle to detach it from the oven cavity wall, if still intact. To install the new Waveguide cover, bend in the middle to insert the tabs into the slots in the cavity wall. Plug the power cord back in, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.